Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disable the pop-up that appears to auto reconnect your device. Now, if you have a base and rover, it can get a little bit annoying when you constantly have to cancel that to make sure that you connect to your base. So to disable it, what we're going to do is head into our settings menu and then our interface sub menu. Now within there you can see a switch for the Auto Reconnect message. All you got to do is switch that off and that message will stop appearing every time. And if you want it to come back, all you have to do is turn that switch back on. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you enable or disable the Auto Reconnect switch inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.